Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Craw Park. Let's jump right on in. Today's video is all about Uber and why I wish I had $100,000 today. Okay, so let's talk about Uber. So last night, and I have the FinViz site up here. I'll highlight it here for you. So Reuters, I think I'm pronouncing that right, reported first on June 5th, which was Sunday, at 11:14 p.m. that Uber and Postmates agreed to a 2.65 billion all stock deal. Uber is buying Postmates, and as you know, Postmates is one of these delivery sites for food. So it's a lot of money, uh, and I'm really happy for Postmates. I mean, anybody that can grow a business and then get bought out for 2.65 billion, congrats to you. So let's go to the article. So yeah, nope. Get this out of the way. Uber and Postmates 2.65 billion all stock, right? So wonderful. Now, what do you think the stock did today, considering that news? Well, if you guessed it went up, you'll be correct. Let's go to the chart. Okay. So as you can see, it happened late last night. So the stock was trading around $30.50. I'll zoom in so you actually can see this. So trading around $30.51. The news comes out, big jump, right? It jumps from $30 to hits a quick high of $33, right? So I mean a $3, $2.50 move, all right? And then hits another high of 33.55. Now when the market opened, the stock comes crashing down. And you may wonder, well, why is the stock going down when it just released this great news? What usually happens is this sell off is people cashing in, right? So if you were holding the stock yesterday and you bought for either $30 or less, and then the stock moves up basically three and a half more dollars, when you can sell, you're going to sell, right? So that's what happened. People are probably just cashing in and making sure that they take their profit. And then once those people kind of exit the market, if you will, then we have a slight bump up. So what I expect to happen is that this is going to rise in the next few days because that's really good news. And I read an article earlier about this that said that they're going to have $2 billion of synergies in the coming months from combining those two companies. So, I mean, I look forward to the new Uber. And I'm really happy for the people at Postmates, right? 2.65 billion. Mm. So, also too, let me before I get on the next topic. So actually, my wife actually pointed this out to me. So last night, she's in a investment group, and one of the members pointed out to her, and then she told me about it, and I was like, oh man, like that's wonderful. And I mean, that kind of stuff, getting in a group, getting with like-minded people, is so very important. And so my wife actually got in to Uber this morning, so really excited about what's going to happen with that stock. Um, but second topic, why $100,000 would have been very useful today for me. Okay, so the stock I wanted to trade today, INO. Okay, so stock ended the day around 21.46. For some reason, jumped to 23.30. I don't know, and I don't care. My thing was okay when I saw some weakness. I was like, okay, this is going to be a great short, right? Meaning, I want the stock to go down. So let's zoom in to what happened at the open. Okay, so we got this nice breakdown, candle of indecision right here, but then after that, candle two, a flush, right? So we start off at, let's say, 2175, and we hit a low down here of basically 1950, right? So that's almost $2, or actually a little bit more than $2 of profit had I been able to get in. And you're saying, well, Jay, well, why didn't you get into the stock and make your money? I'm gonna show you why. You see these? These are canceled orders today. So I know it's very small, but this is from 9:31 and 23 seconds, 9:31 and 53 seconds, 9:32 and 54 seconds, and then 9:45 and 3 seconds. So I kept trying to short sell this stock, and it was saying no, cancel, rejected, whatever. The reason my broker was telling me they were not going to accept my orders because these shares on INO, they're hard to borrow, which means that they're hard to come by, right? They are a scarce commodity. And so when I called my broker and I asked them, well, why was my order rejected? They told me that I couldn't short the stock because I did not have $100,000 in my trading account. And I said, so you're telling me if I would have had $100,000 in my trading account, I could have shorted this stock and made a really nice profit? And they were like, yes. So a hard lesson to learn. And it's not so much about the money, right? Like I'll get there eventually, but the thing is, I actually called the broker this morning. I said, hey, I'm thinking about shorting the stock. Do you have shares available to short? And they were like, yeah, sure. What the guy didn't tell me is that my account didn't qualify. But that's okay. Good lesson to learn. So, yeah. So that's going to do it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, share it with your friends, your family, subscribe on YouTube. I'll see you guys next video.